Good morning everyone, Sam for the Body Centre here. As you can see behind me, we have this almost brand new Audi A4 from our main dealer. As you can see, it's got some heavy front impact. We're going to be putting a new bonnet, a new bumper, a new light, new wing. The impact of the wing is actually knocked back onto the door, so the door will be stripped down and be blending into the door as well. As usual, I want to take you guys behind the scenes and show you what we do best. Let's go. He has literally been here probably not even 3 hours and he's into a big one. He's waiting for his uniform to turn up. It's like not a uniform today, he's paid his 5 of those, that's alright. So as you can see, the Audi is now in the strip and fit stage. Tom is whipping this one apart, ready to move through to the panel stage. Keep watching guys, hope you enjoy it. So we are now in the prep stage. Drew has prepped the car down. We've got the new bonnet. With it being a new bonnet, we then have to blend into the wings so the colour is spot on. We've got some damage on the bumper, so he's prepped down all the bumper. All the little stone chips on there have been top stopped. That's all looking good. I'm in the middle of a video. We'll keep it playing, this is live here. Where was I before I got rudely interrupted? We've actually got a new wing on the driver's side where that's took the impact and gone back and knocked the edge of the door, so we are blending through the door as well. They're all taking the mick out of me in front of the camera, but
we couldn't do it any better.
You couldn't do it any better, thanks guys. Right. Yeah, Ollie's applied the paint, and as usual, he hasn't told me that he was then going in to do the bonnet and the bumper, so, no, not the bumper, bonnet and the, what you got in there? Bonnet and the wing. So unfortunately we've missed that, sorry guys. Blame him. Hope you enjoyed the video. Keep watching. Good morning, guys. Video's now come to an end. Haven't got the car here this morning. The car actually went back last night, all complete, signed off, and in perfect condition after the repair, as you could expect from our team. I'd like to apologise for our microphone issues we had. It was actually the first time we've met Tom. He was our newest member of the team, is our newest member of the team. He's joined our strip and fit department to help us out in there, because we're quite overloaded constantly in there, to be honest. So yeah, Tom has joined us. He's doing amazingly. Really nice lad, and his quality is awesome. So he fits in perfectly with our team. Hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you have much more of an understanding of what goes on behind the scenes in an accident repair. If you have any damage on your car, or you find yourself in an accident, please give us a call. We would love to help out. We work with all insurance companies, not for them. And we work with all our main local dealers around here. So private insurance, accident repair, custom work, we can do anything. Give us a call, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to all our social media pages and our YouTube channel. See you next time.